ReadyTech's virtual instructor-led training blog. Today's video, expert tips for successful online training delivery. Ensure a strong introduction. Begin each course by assuming that students are new to the online training platform you're using, such as ReadyTech's instructor-led training or self-paced training solutions. Provide a concise introduction or a step-by-step guide on navigating the virtual training software, emphasizing how to interact with the instructor. When giving instructions, use both verbal and visual cues, including screen captures and presentations, to demonstrate tool usage effectively. A helpful checklist to cover at the course's outset includes checking connectivity using ReadyTech's pre-check tool, guidelines for using private and public chat features, accessing course materials, understanding breakout group usage, if applicable, backup contact details for the instructor in case of technical issues, sharing assistant instructor's contact information, if available, providing ReadyTech's live support line. Practice for perfection. Before delivering your online course live, conduct a dry run, preferably with an audience, using the online training software. During practice, note any unnecessary applications, tools, or potential distractions within the course. Share this list with your curriculum developers, who can remove these distractions from the virtual training lab. For example, assess whether students require access to multiple web browsers, the entire Microsoft Office suite, or just specific applications. By eliminating unnecessary distractions, you can enhance your teaching success. Enlist an assistant instructor. If your online class has more than 15 students, consider recruiting an assistant instructor to provide additional support. An assistant instructor proves invaluable when students engage in hands-on labs and require software assistance. This additional support allows the lead instructor to focus on delivering class instruction. The assistant can address incoming chat messages and handle unforeseen situations, such as connectivity issues or missing course materials. By leveraging an assistant instructor's help, you can maximize your teaching time and effectively meet the course's learning objectives. Remember, every minute spent assisting one student is not spent delivering valuable instruction to the rest of the class. By following these expert tips, you can ensure a smooth and successful online training delivery experience. Maximize student engagement, provide effective instruction, and achieve your course objectives with confidence.